Hey there folks, are you struggling to wrap your head around coding? Feeling like you're hitting a brick wall every time you try to learn? Well, you're not alone. In fact, you might be learning code all wrong, and today we're here to set the record straight. Many people approach coding with the belief that there's a single right way to learn. In reality, everyone's learning journey is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Don't fall into the trap of comparing your progress to others. Memorizing syntax and code snippets can only take you so far. True understanding comes from grasping fundamental concepts and principles. Instead of rote memorization, focus on comprehension and problem-solving skills. Sitting through hours of lectures or tutorials without actively engaging with the material won't lead to mastery. Instead, strive for active learning experiences, such as coding challenges, projects, and hands-on practice. The more you actively apply what you've learned, the better your understanding will be. Fear of failure can also paralyze your learning progress. Embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Many aspiring coders suffer from imposter syndrome, feeling like they don't belong in the coding community. Remember that everyone starts somewhere, and even experienced programmers once struggled with the basics. Don't let self-doubt hold you back from pursuing your coding dreams. Another important thing you should know is that learning to code requires consistent effort and practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for learning, and stick to your schedule. Even small, regular practice sessions can lead to significant progress over time. You shouldn't underestimate the power of reading documentation and leveraging online resources. The internet is a treasure trove of tutorials, forums, and documentation for every programming language. Learn how to effectively search for and utilize these resources to enhance your learning. So there you have it. If you've been feeling frustrated or stuck in your coding journey, it might be time to rethink your approach. Remember, there's no right way to learn code. Find what works best for you, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to embrace failure along the way. Thanks for watching. Bye.